Okay, so this is the question number 6 of ESE 2024 Civil Engineering, where VD is the design speed in miles per hour, emax is the maximum maximum rate of superelevation, fmax is the coefficient of friction, and we have to find out the minimum radius of curvature, R minimum. Let's see what superelevation is. We all know that it is a transverse slope which is provided to counteract the centrifugal force which forces you to move out of the track. So to counteract that, we have some transverse slope, and also it reduces the tendency to overturn. Okay, it is basically we raise the outer edge of the pavement, like you can see here. It's provided super elevation. Okay, see here this part. Okay, see here is the inner edge level, and this is the outer edge level. So this is the super elevation. Okay, the forces acting are, one is centrifugal force that forces you to move out of the pavement like this. One is the lateral friction, which is your hero. This is the villain. Centrifugal force is a villain, and centripetal force is your hero, and also the weight is your hero. Okay, and the car is moving in this direction. So now let's see the free body diagram. Suppose this is the super elevation. This part, sorry, this is the level of the outer edge. This is the level of the inner edge. Let us call it as E. Okay, and let us call the width of the pavement as B. Okay, this is B. So tan theta equals to E by B, and that is the super elevation. So what are the forces acting on the body? One is the weight perpendicularly, and P is the outside. It's acting outside towards the out. That is the centrifugal force. It's acting outwards. Okay. So W will have two components. Perpendicular to the surface is W cos theta, and parallel to the surface is W sin theta. Okay. P again similarly parallel to the surface P cos theta, because this is the theta here, and P sin theta, which will get added up to W cos theta. Now if we do the equilibrium of forces in the x direction, summation fx equals to 0, that gives us P cos theta equals to W sin theta plus F. P cos theta equals to W sin theta plus F. Okay, one sec, it's not clear. This is the W sin theta and plus F. Okay, so now the next step is F is the friction force, which is the coefficient of friction into the normal reaction. Normal reaction is W cos theta plus P sin theta. So we get our equation as P cos theta equals to W sin theta plus F into W cos theta plus P sin theta. Okay, so taking P in one side and W on other side, we get P into cos theta minus F sin theta equals to W into sin theta plus F cos theta. Now we'll take cos theta common on both the sides. So we get in the form of tan. We already know tan theta is equals to our E. We already have seen here. So we'll replace tan theta with E, and also as cos theta, as theta is very small, so cos theta will be 1. So we get our equation as P into 1 minus F equal to W into E plus F. Okay, and we already know from our class 12 physics, class 11 or 12 physics, that P equals to mv square by r, which is the centrifugal force, and W equals to mg. So now we'll put this mv square by r and W equals to mg in this equation. Okay, now we'll see what happens. mv square by r into, I'll delete the line. Okay, yeah, mv square by r into 1 minus F equals to mg into E plus F. Okay, So that gives v square by gr. If you cancel the m here, cancel m, we get v square by gr equals to e plus f by 1 minus fe. Now if v is given in kilometers per hour, okay, then we have 0.278 vd in meters per second, square of it divided by g. We know 9.81 and r. So now can you simplify this thing? 0.278 square by 9.81. See, we are getting 7.87 into 10 to the power minus 3. हाँ सही है. So we'll इसका उल्टा करेंगे 1 by reverse यानी reciprocal ताकि नीचे आके वैल्यू मिले. तो 1 by this value is 127. यहाँ पे 127 आ गया. ये आएगा v square by 127 r हो गया equals to e plus f by 1 minus ef. अब f का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है 0.15. ठीक है, f का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है 0.15. e का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है 0.1, वो भी हिल्स के लिए. तो e इंटू एफ मैक्सिमम क्या होगा? e इंटू एफ हमारा मैक्सिमम क्या होगा? 0.015. So it's very negligible to 1 when we are using e maximum. So we are safe if we neglect the ef. So we get our equation in the form of v square by 127r equals to e plus f. Now here this is given in miles per hour. So we can convert v, as v is in kilometer per hour. So 1 mile equals to, we know that 1 mile equals to 1.61 kilometers. So we put 1.61 here. So 1.61 square 2.6. So 127 by this value will get somewhat 49. So if it is in miles per hour, we get v square by 49 into e plus f equals to r. Now if r is minimum, e plus f has to be maximum. So we can cancel this option, this option. This and this are almost close, but 15, I don't know from where this 15 is coming. E minimum, this is a mistake done by UPSC. It has to be E maximum. Here 0.01 is due to the rate. They are telling rate. That means E max they will give it as suppose 5% or 10%, like that they will give us. So to directly use this value, we'll use 0.01. So by going by that concept, we can tick option number D as the correct option. Okay, but still it's a bit confusing here to get the correct answer. So but the basics that has been covered here, it will be required for all exams. All exams will be requiring this super elevation and friction factor. Maximum value of it 0.15, maximum value of it 0.1. But in normal roads, it's plain terrain, it's 0.07. But maximum value of friction factor 0.15, like that. Okay, thank you.